action. We back in the action, boys. I'm wearing a white hoodie. I think it's super sick. It says defaced on it because I like defacing things. Also, it's got this cool little thing right here, and I think that's it. Their link is down below. I like the hoodie. You guys have been asking about it, so there it is. So let me start off this video by kind of confronting something that you guys have been saying a little bit. Very often, actually. Now, I've been reading lots of comments, lots of Instagram messages, lots of DMs, yada, yada, yada. Instagram's right there, of course, where y'all are coming at me saying, NameBran, you ain't got no sneaker game. And on top of y'all saying that, y'all like, bruh, you just got sneaker lame. Now, I take a step back hearing that. And then I really think about it. Bro, that doesn't make sense. I know it rhymes, but sneaker lame and game is just like, what do you mean I got sneaker lame? Anyway, we digress from the hate comments, man. I thought today is the time where I step out a little bit. You know what I mean? Not out of the closet, alright? Keep those jokes to yourself, but out of my comfort zone. I don't purchase hype sneakers because I don't need to be hype. I don't purchase Yeezys to wear them. I purchase them to destroy them. However, that isn't enough for y'all apparently. So you know what? I thought, frig it, bro. Let's do literally the best unboxing y'all have ever seen on the channel, featuring the best sneakers y'all have ever seen on the channel. Let me just say right now, it's lit. And for those of you who believe in me, that we're actually gonna have the best sneaker pickup video as of ever on the channel, I want y'all to chat for me. God damn it! It's the goddamn kids again! I mean my real bros, man, chat for me! Oh! Yeah! That's what I'm talking about. Those dudes are jacked. We go and pick up girls sometimes in a club. Well, you'll meet them sometime. Anyway, without further ado, man, today I break my virginity of not having dope sneakers. We show you guys the dopest sneakers that you don't even own, man. So, of course, when we have a lit unboxing video, that means lots of views. Now, what does lots of views mean in YouTuber world? Lots of ad revenue. Unfortunately, we don't really get that, so I got a little challenge for us today. As of this video right now, well, we're not starting a new thing. As of this video only, I want to do a little challenge so I can get some more ad revenue, obviously. Let's not swear, man. Let's not swear, because we all know when I start swearing in fucking videos, they don't shoot. Already swore. They don't give me ad revenue, is what I was about to say. Anyway, starting now, if I swear in this video, I want y'all to count, which means you gotta watch the whole video, which strategy means that I get more watch time, which means more ad revenue. For every swear, I'm gonna pick one of you down below to donate $1 to on PayPal. I know it's not a lot, but bro, it's all I got. Also, there's a Patreon down below if y'all wanna help me out with that. So that's a challenge for today, for this lit video. We ain't about to swear at all, mother flipper. Which means I can just start making up sweet words in this video. But of course y'all know the NameBran fam's real strong. We're marking the game that— hold on one second. We're marking the game the greatest of all time. That was so sick. Y'all the goats. I appreciate y'all so much for watching. This is probably a video that I've been so stoked for more than any other video because it's brought to you by the website, the app, StockX. Oh, you don't know what StockX is? Yeah, we do, Brandon. Shut up! I gotta explain it. Please, just let me do this. StockX, let me explain how this works. So y'all know you can sell sneakers on eBay. You can sell sneakers on other websites. This is another sneaker selling stock market. It's so sick. It's really sick how it works. I don't know how stock works or stock market works, so I'm not really going to go into detail with that. I just hope y'all know what I mean when I say it's a sneaker stock market. Don't question me any further. So what you can do on this app or website or whatever is you actually sell sneakers and people buy them. And on this website, it's really dope, man. I wish I could explain this better. My favorite thing about this website, and I've honestly shopped on it quite a bit, you guys know that I got this Supreme mat right there from StockX. I bought it for like $100 or something like that, which was lit. Anyway, the dope thing is the seller actually has the sneakers, but they don't send them straight to you through purchasing through this website. They have to send it to StockX first for further verification, where they put this little like StockX tag saying, yes, this is verified, which will help you if you want to sell it on eBay or somewhere else later. Like if I went to SneakerCon, for example, and I wanted to buy something and had a little StockX tag on it saying it's verified, I'm probably more inclined to buy it. Anyway, what I'm trying to get at is anything you purchase on the website, they're not going to ship it to you after you purchasing it if it's fake. They do the legit checks for you. There's no harm, no foul, like there's no stress in your mind being like, bruh, I might be rocking fake Yeezys right now. You know damn straight after purchasing off StockX that they're real. Without further ado, boys, these guys were so kind to send me 2 boxes. They're giving me some stuff for free. This is a free mystery box in terms of how you're seeing it, because you don't know what's in it. I know what's in it. I just think I might title this video like StockX mystery box or something, because it is a mystery to you. You know what I mean? Hey, Brad, now the mother ding dong about to open up that package. Man, this swearing thing's hard. Oh! Alright, first thing we got here, we're just gonna go through these real quick. Y'all already know what this is. We got some Yeezy 350 boosts. Now these things I've been wanting so much. I didn't get to purchase them on Cop Day, and I wasn't even gonna spend my own money on them, but that StockX hit me up with this great opportunity saying we'll send you some stuff to show your viewers, and this is the first thing on my list, man. Oh! We got stickers. That is so sick. I gotta put this on my toilet seat. And we got that right there. Leave a comment down below. What ones do you guys think these are? These are absolutely my favorite Yeezy. Oh, it's so beautiful in person. Wow. We got the Yeezy ones right here with the light blue. I'm not really sure what they're called, but we got the boost to the bottom. What do sneaker YouTubers say? We got that color. We got this color. Verified as a mother kid. Let's see the other one. The other one should have the verification thing on it. Yes. So this is what I talk about. This is verified, authentic. Absolutely my favorite Yeezy to ever release. I can't wait to wear these. I don't think I'm gonna do any crazy stuff with these whatsoever. This is just gonna be a sneaker for the absolute personal rocking experience. You know what I mean? This pair of this hoodie, some black pants, it's lit. God, these things look so beautiful in person. You guys let me know if you guys got to cop these at all. I don't even think they cost too much on the StockX website, because I know before they hit me up, I was kind of wanting to cop them, so I was looking at prices. They got dope prices for these boys right here. That's the first pickup, the Supreme Yeezys, not Supreme Yeezys. Ah! I hate screwing up. That means I have to edit that out. Next up, this one's very sick. This is actually not a sneaker, but this is a jacket that I've been really wanting. Oh, they got a StockX bag! I'm about to use that and take out my trash later for sure. Don't throw away bags. Always reuse them. Sponsored by the government of Canada. Just kidding, I don't know. Is that what they said? Anyway, we got this 6 Supreme jacket right here. Now, I was gonna cop it when this first released. This released 2017 winter collection. However, online, it didn't look that good in the pictures, except when I was at SneakerCon at one point, some kid came up to me, he's like, NameBran, I'm a big fan. I'm like, shut up. That jacket looks a lot sicker than I thought. He's like, thanks, man, you're kind of mean. Like, I'm just trying to talk to you. I'm like, shut up, let me try that on. So I tried it on. It was super dope. And that's what we got, the Supreme Champion jacket right here. Y'all know I'm taking over Ray Ray. I'm the new champion guy because I got this one right here. Ray Ray, come after me, bro. I dare you. Please don't. You're actually tall and lengthy, and I'm pretty sure you got some like crazy headlock skills. They're really good at that stuff, this tall, lengthy dudes. I gotta put this on real quick. So I don't know what this is called. I think it's called like the panel jacket or something, and it wasn't expensive at all on their website. Oh, but it's just expensive enough for me to feel like an absolute boss. Here we go. We got the panel and colors right here. They also have it in black. However, the black one, it's like black Supreme on the back, so it doesn't stand out that I'm wearing Supreme, you know what I mean? Because that's my only goal here. It's lit. You guys let me know down below what you think about this. Once again, on the website, it looked kind of weird, but with Supreme, it looks so much better in person, I find. So I love seeing it in person first, then copping for free. Thanks, StockX. Now, if you guys want, also, I'm going to have links to all these pieces that I'm showing you guys down below, just in case you want to copy it yourself. I don't think I make money through that link. However, if I can figure out how to do that, that would be pretty dope. There will be a link for sure, though. And without further ado, we got one more box for this video. That's not it. That's literally, where's the box? I'm trying to fill up time while I look for this thing. Damn it! Where's the box? Alright boys, we found the last box. In my personal opinion, the dopest sneaker pickup we have ever had on the channel, because it's real, like these are legit. I am so stoked for these. There we go. Oh boys! Oh boys, we taking an absolute L on this one. You guys are gonna love this. This is something that I haven't seen anyone pick up on YouTube yet. That's not true. I think a lot of people have these. Wow! The KAWS 4. And these aren't only just the KAWS 4 gray ones. You know what I mean? Those ones are old news. These are the new ones, bro. These are the black ones, which is dope because they're newer. We got another sticker. Putting that on my urinal. Oh, we got a little card right here. Now let's open this. Oh my god, I've never ever seen these in person. We got the dust bag right here that has like the little crosses on it. It doesn't matter. We got the card right here that they're supposed to come with the cool shininess right there. And last up, of course, where are the shoes? There's no stuff. Just kidding, there are shoes in it. We got the black KAWS 4s right here. These things are absolutely phenomenal. Oh my god. My first time ever feeling it. Oh, is pube a bad word? Nah. This feels like a nicely shaved pubic region. You know what I mean? This is dope. Y'all like that, obviously. These are awesome. Let's look at the StockX tag. Yes, here's the verification right here. StockX verified. These things are absolutely phenomenal. Swear to God, I'm gonna take so many pictures in these tonight. Probably go out to the club then tonight after trying to rock them and like maybe see if some girls know what they are. Then I'll point to my feet being like, hey, these are $1,500 almost. You should probably get my number. Then I'll get slapped in the face, drink spilled on my shoes. Now I'm down to nothing once again. Back to my old NameBran ways. Anyway, boys, that's it for the video from StockX. Once again, their link is down below. Absolutely recommend visiting this website. And I'm really not just saying that because they sent me this stuff. Once again, I have been purchasing off them for a little while. So it's really dope. Just at least go check it out if you guys want to and just see prices. One thing, even if you're not going to shop on a website like this, I definitely get educated as to how much things are going for. Because I would say they're probably one of the lowest websites in terms of how much people are selling things for. So it's just good to know that knowledge. I'm trying to sound like I know about sneakers and reselling. I don't. But yes, boys, the pickups for today. We got this 6'6" Supreme jacket. So stoked about it. We got these absolute golden, not golden, bluish, whatever, YEEZYS right here, lit. And then we got the KAWS 4 black sneakers right here. These, like, honestly, my two grail sneakers that I really want to take good care of for once, maybe. Appreciate y'all for watching. Once again, StockX, thanks so much. I don't know why I keep saying this. They're probably never even going to watch this. You guys are marking the game. You guys are the greatest of all time. Good luck on the giveaway. It's ending today. I'm going to announce the winner today or tomorrow for the cartoon YEEZYs, probably today. You guys let me know what your favorite pickup was for this video. We got some absolute fire, we got some heat, and we got some tires and meat. Bars, I think. Maybe. Anyway, appreciate y'all for watching. Instagram's right here. If you guys ever want to follow me or talk to me on Instagram, I'm pretty good with looking after messages and stuff like that. But I'm stoked, man. I'm just gonna go and like just honestly look at my shoes now, cause I never actually get to have some cool kicks that I can just look at and be like, baby, I'm actually not gonna destroy you this time. Mwah. You know what I mean? Like I destroy every girl. Alright, NameBran fam, marketing the game, the greatest of all time. Hopefully this is at 10 minutes, cause nothing that I've said the past minute and a half, really, you didn't need to listen to anything. I'm just trying to drag it out, to be honest with you guys. Plow!